what I think is brilliant about Astrid is that she sees a difference in him and an individuality that is really key and special and potentially could be kind of life-changing for all of them. And instead of resenting it and kind of chastising him for it because she lacks that, I think what's amazing is that she kind of encourages him to step all the way into it. And then when he does, it's so beautiful and lovely and sweet. And I think that it's something that makes their relationship really special is that encouragement, and that she is also kind of responsible for how much he takes ownership over what he does and how special he is.